What are the limitations of Ferrel's model? There are 6-7 of them. One is only about global winds, does not consider monsoons, does not consider local winds, homogeneous surface, okay, does not account for land, water, differential. It ignores upper tropospheric winds. It ignores jet streams, ignores mid-latitude circulations of air masses and Rossby waves and temperate cyclones. And while discussing this, do mention that these concepts are better explained in the wave model. This land-water differential, this is better explained when discussing local and regional winds. Now, it cannot explain complex weather patterns. Three type of climates it can't explain. It can't explain monsoons. It can't explain Siberian. It cannot explain the unpredictability of the British type of climate. अच्छा, इससे ज़्यादा दो और important point हैं. Now I want to talk about those. A very important thing is, it cannot explain the meridional energy transfer. What is the most important factor for the meridional energy transfer? Anybody knows? How does energy transfer from high to mid latitudes? Rossby waves are the most important mechanisms in inter or meridional transfer of energy. Okay. The most important role is by the upper tropospheric winds, the angular momentum conservation, the meandering, and so on. एक और बहुत important point. It does not explain ENSO. It can't explain IOD, Indian Ocean Dipole. These are also vertical circulations, but they are not meridional. ये Walker cell है, and IOD, the Indian Ocean Dipole or the Indian Ocean El Nino. Ferrel's model is good for understanding zonal patterns of winds and pressure. They are not good to understand the cellular pressure patterns because of land-water differential. And you can draw a map here: Hawaiian high, Azores high, Icelandic low, Aleutian low, seasonal changes. These are important discussion points. ना आपका अगर लिखना है proper 2-2.5 पेज में, ये discussions ज़्यादा interesting हैं rather than discussion of the previous points. ये जो previous points हैं, try to reduce them in lesser number of words. ये तो सबको पता ही है more or less. ये जो later वाले 2-3 हैं, they are the richer ones. Okay? They have to be discussed more. अच्छा, एक और point क्या होगा बताओ? One important point here is that Ferrel, and this could be part of conclusion eventually. जो Ferrel's model है is a simplified depiction of the global circulations. They cannot be used for weather predictions. They cannot be used for meteorological studies. What type of model do I need for meteorological studies? Yeah, we need real-time models. Computer Okay, global computer models, the global computer simulation models, yes. Synoptic winds tracking, yes, correct. And the answer in this. Okay, page number 98, please, and 99. Trisolar models, wave theory model, and global computer model, GCM model. The global computer model is a real time, okay, synoptic winds, real time tracking of the winds. Okay. I have one more question to discuss, but I think I will leave it to you for your practice. The question is, discuss the urban modification of climate. This is not same as urban heat island. Remember this. This is more than urban heat island. Can you tell me 3-4 ways how the urban climate gets modified? Give me the broad heads. Urban modifications किस किस डायमेंशंस में होते हैं? अर्बन मॉडिफिकेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ टेम्परेचर होता है, इन टर्म्स ऑफ सर्कुलेशंस होता है, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एल्बिडो होता है. यूज द वर्ड्स ऑफ ज्योग्राफी. विंड वेलोसिटीज हो गया, अर्बन स्मॉग हो गया. So there are 4-5 heads. Yes, hygroscopic nuclei, acid rain. So a good 2-page write-up. Okay, 2-page write-up चाहिए हमें. The urban modification of climate, and you are allowed to see your internet देख कर लिखो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, 2 पेज में. Look up something called as Venturi effect. So urban modifications में cloud burst आएगा. Cloud bursts resulting in urban floods. Okay, Venturi effect, fast movement of winds. Okay, you have got canyons, heat canyons, acid rains, smogs, urban heat domes. Talk about the case study of Mumbai. Please do. Okay?